Hello and welcome to Filings Corner, your trusted partner for legal, financial, and compliance solutions tailored for startups and growing businesses. If you're starting a company with co-founders, one of the smartest moves you can make early on is to get a founders agreement in place. It's not just a legal formality, it's a safety net that protects your startup's future and your personal interests. What is a founders agreement and why it matters? A founders agreement is a legally binding document that clearly defines the roles, responsibilities, equity ownership, and decision-making powers among startup co-founders. It ensures that everyone is on the same page from day one, helping to prevent misunderstandings, ownership disputes, and legal troubles as the business grows. At Filings Corner, we specialize in drafting, reviewing, and customizing founders' agreements that are designed to protect intellectual property, support long-term growth, and safeguard the startup journey. Key benefits, explained smoothly. So why do you need a founders' agreement? First, it helps define equity ownership and vesting schedules, ensuring that shares are distributed fairly and earned over time. Second, it clarifies each founder's role and responsibilities, avoiding confusion about who's handling what. It also addresses intellectual property rights, making sure that everything created for the business belongs to the company, not to individuals. And if conflicts arise, the agreement outlines a structured dispute resolution process, including mediation or arbitration. Finally, it includes a solid exit strategy, such as buyback clauses, to manage voluntary exits or unexpected departures smoothly. Information you'll need to get started. When you work with Filings Corner to create your founders agreement, we'll guide you step by step. We'll need basic founder details like legal names and identification, along with your business model, vision, and capital contributions, whether in cash, assets, or sweat equity. You'll also define how equity will be split, how voting rights and governance will work, and what procedures should be followed in case of disputes or exits. Our job is to turn all of this into a clear, enforceable agreement, customized to your startup structure and goals. Important clauses, simplified for speech. The core of every founders agreement lies in its clauses. We include detailed terms for equity splits and vesting to ensure long-term commitment, clear role definitions and time expectations, and strong IP and confidentiality clauses to protect your startup's innovations. We also build in provisions for founder exits and buybacks, as well as options for resolving disputes, whether through mediation, arbitration, or legal action. Each clause is tailored to your specific needs, not just a template. Why Filings Corner? At Filings Corner, we understand startups. Our team of expert CAs, CSs, lawyers, and MBAs combines legal know-how with deep financial and compliance insight. We don't just draft documents. We help you structure your capital, manage tax implications, and stay prepared for future funding or regulatory challenges. With us, you get end-to-end support, from agreement formation to modifications, and even resolution support if things ever go sideways. Call to action, strong and clear close. If you're building something exciting with your co-founders, make sure you're building it on a strong foundation. Call us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to get your customized founders agreement drafted quickly, professionally, and affordably. Filings Corner, where startups stay protected, structured, and ready for success.